Hey, how you doing? It's Rafaelantihero and I'm back with another video. I just want to say hi to all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please click the like and subscribe down below. Today I'm going to show you how I trim my beard using the Philips QT4011 beard trimmer that I ordered from Lazada. And you know, between you and I, this is actually my third beard trimmer that I bought. So my other ones have been broken, so I bought a new one and I'm very excited to try this today. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to unbox the product. I'm gonna show you guys what is inside, and then after that I'm gonna use the beard trimmer and trim my beard, shape it up, clean it up, whatever you want to call that. And then at the very end I will give my review, so you better stick until the end of this video. Alright? And also, before I forget, if you're in any way interested in buying this product, I have put a link down below.
So guys, are you ready? If yes, then we're gonna open this package. Want to give a quick shout out to LBC for delivering this package safely and securely. And now we see a second layer of protection. Nice touch, Lazada. We all see you. Very good job. And now we're gonna open it. And now we have the box. Yeah, very cool presentation. Way to go, Philips. You guys are the best. As we can see, it's a Pro Skin Advanced Trimmer. Very cool stuff. And finally, we're gonna open this box with the scissor. What is taking me so long? What is taking me so long? The suspense is killing me, guys. What? Okay, now finally we have what's inside. So what do we have here? So we have a manual. Manual. Maybe two manuals. Okay, and now we have a little bag, probably for storage purposes. Very cool. And oh, look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Wow, it looks pretty handy to me. And look at that color scheme: red, orange, black. Amazing. I am so excited to try this. And now we have a little brush for the cleaning and the charger, which brings me to the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna charge this bad boy. We're gonna plug that. It has a charge time of 1 hour and use time of 90 minutes, and also it has a green indicator to tell us if it's done charging, and we're just gonna leave it there. See you in the bathroom, guys.
Hello guys, I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm very excited to use this. But before I do, I'm gonna tell you what my plan is for my beard, so you have an idea of what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna keep looking at the mirror right here so that I don't really, destroy myself. So you see this? I'm just gonna comb this out. And by the way, the comb is not included in the box, okay? So I'm just gonna comb that out, and I'm just gonna make a straight line using this, okay? And I'm gonna trim the sides, both sides, and the cheek line. I'm not gonna really touch that today. And I'm gonna clean this up too, that part. And we're just gonna clean the wispy little annoying hairs at the bottom. And the mustache, I think I'm gonna just trim here. Before I forget, I'm gonna clean up this neckline. Yeah? Now we're ready to start. Okay, let's begin. I'm gonna begin with this. I'm just gonna comb it straight down. Same with here. And do a little bit of
Ooh.
continue with the mustache. I'm gonna go 6 mm, but I'm just gonna comb downwards. And now we're gonna fix this neckline. Okay guys, so I am done. That is how I shape up or trim my beard. I'm not really going for a very short stubble look. I'm just cleaning it up while I'm growing it out. Okay guys, here's my review for the Philips Norelco QT4011 beard trimmer. It has a nice feel into it. It fits quite perfectly in my hand. It has a nice color scheme, red, orange, and black. Looks good. The precision of the product is amazing. From 0.5 mm to 10 mm. So the charging time, which is 1 hour, and you can use it up to 90 minutes. And what I love about this the most is the bag that comes with the trimmer. When you're done with this, when I'm done with this, I'm just gonna put it and forget it. So guys, if you want this beard trimmer, this product, the link is indeed down in the description. You can get yours today. This is gonna do it for this video. See you guys soon.